So do you also use Google Ads to get more leads for your own business? Then you are on the right video. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can capture Google Ad leads automatically using Pabbly Connect. So I also use Google Ads to collect the details for my own business. I want more leads for my business. For that I use Google Ads, and I want whenever I receive a new lead, instantly the lead details should be added in my Google Sheets. Not only this, I want that automatically the lead details should be added in my CRM too. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of hours free means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free into your Google Sheets and in your CRM. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then don't forget that RITYT is the discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads and select the same right over here. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now it is asking me for the login customer ID. So to get this, just open your Google Ads and just above your email address you're going to find this login customer ID. Just copy and paste it right over here and then click on this save. Once you're going to click on this save, Pabbly is going to ask you to select the Gmail account. So select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. And now our Google Ads is connected with Pabbly Connect and we have received this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. Make sure to add the lead form in your campaign. In this lead form, I am just going to collect the details like name, email, phone number, street address, city and the state, because these are the details which I'm just going to add in my Google Sheets. If you want to collect more details, you can collect it directly from here. Now the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen through this form only. So for that you have to go on this lead delivery option. It is asking for the webhook URL, so paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. Now for the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. Now it is saying test data sent, so let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. And now you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response over as the street address. You're going to see the city and the state. Now what is going to happen is we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets and in our Zoho CRM. But before that, you have two options now. What you can do is you can create this automation using the real lead details too. You just have to click on this free capture webhook response and then yes. Then you have to wait until you receive a real lead in real time and then create the automation using the real details. The second option which you have is you can create the automation using the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. No need to worry like I am just going to do. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets because we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once again, select the Gmail account. Pabbly is going to ask you for certain permissions, so click on this allow and your Google Google Sheets account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to select the spreadsheet in which you want to add the details. So this is the name of my spreadsheet. So let's select the same, which is new lead details. Now select the sheet, which is sheet 1. So okay, let's select the same, and one by one we're going to enter these details. But over here is a hack that we don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one we are going to map these details. What we're going to do is, first of all, in order to map these details you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map. So like I want to map the city right over here, so let's search for the city and we're going to map the same. Further, I want to map the state, so let's search for the state, and as you can see that this is the state, so we're going to map it right over here. So like this you have to also map the details just by putting the slash. After you map all these details, what you have to do is you just have to click on this save and send test request. Noticing the details are added in my Google Sheets, so let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details are added. Be it the name, the email, the phone number or the address, all the details are added right over here. Now what is going to happen is, whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. Not only this, I want to add the details in Zoho CRM too. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Zoho CRM over here. You can use any another CRM platform too. Now for the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. Now it is asking me for the domain, so to get this domain you just have to open your Zoho CRM account and you're going to find the domain in the URL, which is after this CRM dot and before slash CRM. So you just have to copy and paste the domain over here, and further what is going to happen is you're going to find that many domains are attached over here. So any domain can be of your account. You just have to open your account and check for the domain. Anything from below will be your domain. For me it is zoho.in, so I have entered the same. Now you have to click on this save. Now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so give Pabbly all the permissions, because as now you know that your data is secured with us. Now after creating this connection, we have to select the lead source as Google. For the first name, put a slash, search for the first name, map it. You have to make sure that you only map the string value. Okay, now for the email, let's map the email, and it is going to ask us for many more details, but all of these details are not required, so let's just leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have created a new contact, so let's open our Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contact list. Once we're going to refresh this contact list, yes, you're going to see a new contact is added right over here with the same details. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the details will be added in Google Sheets and also in Zoho CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. And you must be wondering how this is helpful for me and my business. So now my team doesn't have to copy paste the details manually in both the platform. This is going to save me time and also many errors. Like while copy pasting the details, many errors occur, so this is going to save me from errors and also save me a lot of time. Such a useful automation, right? So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now, as you know, we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to learn more automations like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel over here. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video with many more automation tips. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.